Underneath our feet here is all the wastewater that comes in the plant.
Daniel Fischer has been working in wastewater for 26 years, processing more than 110 million gallons every day at the Clark County Water Reclamation District.
Our mission is to protect public health and the environment by collecting, treating, reclaiming water and sending it back into the environment.
It's not just what goes back out, though. The Clark County Water Reclamation District also monitors what comes in.
Very important to test the wastewater because the wastewater is a leading indicator of what's to come. So the wastewater contains the remnants of viruses and other pathogens that are actually in people's bodies now and are being excreted. By that, about a week in advance of any real outbreak out there, we see the levels rise in our influent. So these are called composite samplers, and what they do is they draw some of the water that's coming in the plant up into containers and they put them inside. So what we're doing here is we're taking a representative sample of the 115 million gallons that are coming in this plant, putting that sample into a container that can be analyzed at laboratories.
Some of these labs are on premises, but the Water Reclamation District also collaborates with outside tech companies like Verily. With their equipment, they are able to acquire wastewater data useful to the Water Reclamation and Southern Nevada Health District.
We're looking for 8 different pathogens, including influenza, RSV, and SARS-CoV-2. So the methods that we use include digital droplet PCR in order to identify the concentration levels and whether or not a pathogen is detected. And then we also do genomic sequencing for SARS-CoV-2 in order to determine what concentrations of different variants are present.
Collecting and evaluating wastewater samples is not new for the district, but in recent years, their work has evolved and involved greater collaboration.
The birth of wastewater epidemiology, the science started before 2020, but in 2020 when COVID hit, its use of wastewater surveillance shot way up. It really took off then. So when COVID hit, the interest in wastewater surveillance, the wastewater epidemiology took a giant leap forward, and since then the science has advanced. And then the Southern Nevada Health District, they're the ones that look at the data from the labs and say, okay, this is not a problem, this is a problem, here's what we're going to notify, we're going to talk to the hospitals, we're going to talk to the doctors, we're going to put out alerts. They're the ones that make the decisions on public health, because they're the experts in that science.